OK， 我们都没去过日本。我们都没去过日本。What does it mean? None of us. 我们都没去过。None of us went to or go to or have been to. What is this? That's the name of a country. 日本。
Japan.
Yes. Okay. They all like eating dumplings. Can you make it in Chinese? Dumplings. 饺子。They all like eating dumplings.
他们都喜欢吃饺子。
吃 it is 吃 to eat. 吃饺子。Okay. For example, 他们两个都去了吗？ What does it mean? 他们两个都去了吗？他们两个都去了吗？他们两个 okay, 两个 is used for counting the object. How many are there? 两个 both of them. 两 means two. Generally, it means two while counting. So 他们两个 means both of them. Two of them or both of them. 他们两个都去了吗？ To is a verb to go. Lo makes it went. Did both of them go? They all don't like drinking coffee.
他们都没。
No, may is used for example, if it was given they all didn't.
看书
Reading a book. For example, 你正在学习汉语. What does it mean? 你正在学习汉语.
Have you ever thought about learning Mandarin Chinese?
正在学习
It's not just a language, it's a skill that can change the future. At the School of Foreign Languages, students prepare for the HSK exam with expert guidance. Companies are actively hiring Mandarin speakers for business, tourism, and international trade. With the right training, anyone can stand out and grab amazing job opportunities.